Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, you are most definitely welcome. So today guys, I'm going to be trying out something very new, very different from what you guys are used to, like something really different. So today I'm going to be wearing a contact lens. So this is gonna be my first time ever wearing a contact lens. I don't know if I'm saying it right correctly, because I've never mentioned that thing before, like not talk of wearing it in my eyes. So today I'm going to try to wear a contact lens in this video. So please, in case I'm doing anything wrongly, don't complain. This is my first time. Okay, so you can see on my table, this is a contact lens guys, from a company called Fresh Look Color Blends, and it's actually a soft cosmetic lens, and it's everything starts from your eyes. That's their keyword. I don't know what to call it. But this contact lens guys, I've never worn a contact lens in my life before, so this is going to be my first ever. This is going to be my first one, and I hope I really like it. And this is in the color Pure Hazard. Open my phone. So it's a really complete kit. Everything came in like this, like this one here. I don't know whether the left eye, right eye. Okay, they have. Okay. Like I said before, guys, I've never worn a contact lens before, so don't blame me if I don't know their names. So this is this one came with this one, and this one. This is the eye drop, and this is the applicator, and this is the water that I'm supposed to always use to, you know, preserve this thing, this contact lens. They are in these bottles. They are inside these bottles. So they are inside these bottles, these small bottles. So they are inside these small bottles. So focus. It came inside of this one. I don't know if you can see it inside there. So yeah, I'm going to try on this contact lens today, and this is going to be my first time. Please guys, don't laugh. Don't laugh. This was highly recommended since it's going to be my first time. It's going to be very easy to wear. That's what I was told actually, but let's see how it goes. Okay, thanks for watching, and God bless you. Hey guys, so my other camera decided to go off on me, and yeah, we're going to film with this Canon G7X. So let's try. This one is the first time for everything guys, so let's do this. If I tell you I'm not scared, it's a lie. I'm just using mind. I beg, let's do it. So I'm going to apply the eye drop now, one on my eye. Man, oh no, shit. So let's take the they said pull it down, and then let's see. No, I cannot do this. Jesus. This is more difficult than I thought. Oh Jesus. I thought this will be so simple, you know. Very simple. I didn't know it was going to be this. Okay, let's do it now. Okay, pull it down. Man, Hey. Okay. Man. I'm even spoiling my makeup, guys. Like, what's this now? I should be able to do this thing now. What? Since we have been trying one eye as a first to do, let's do the other eye. Let's do this. I'm just realizing that this year has back and front for after 15 minutes. After 15 minutes of trying, now I just realized that this thing has back and front. Jesus.
One eternity later.
Oh, I'm spoiled by makeup, have you? We must do it all. So after trying for 20 minutes, guys, I don't think I can do this. I cannot. So I give up. I give up. I cannot do it. I cannot come and kill myself by myself. Oh, I cannot. Jesus Christ. Wow. So that's it. I cannot do it. It's a struggle. See my eyes red. I'm tired. So we're just going to try it one more time. So if I cannot get it at this moment, I'm going to give up. Because it's not a by force something. You understand me? It's not a by force something. So we have tried with the applicator, we have tried with our hand. So we're just going to try it with this applicator one more time. So if I'm unable to get it, that's it. Okay, go. No, stop turning. It's not by power. It's not by might. Jesus.
One eternity later.
So after several attempts, guys, I just realized that I cannot do it. I cannot. So I'm just going to give out this contact lens, and if you're in my comment section, I want to do a giveaway, automatic giveaway. So if you are in my comment section, you live in Italy or Nigeria, I'm just going to select from the comment section who to give to. Anywhere you are, Italy or Nigeria actually. So just let me know in the comment section, because that's the easiest way I can give it to you. So just let me know in the comment section, because I will just hand this over to you by myself. I cannot come and keep myself, you understand? So I'm just going to keep it back in the bottle, and then let's pretend like we never had this experience. Hey, please don't tell anybody that I tried to wear contact lenses, because I did not. Jesus, those people that used to wear it there, I hailed them. Man, they are too much. No way. I've just realized that this is not for me, okay? Giveaway. If you need it, just let me know in the comment section and it's yours, okay? Alright guys. Until further notice, I will see you all in my next what am I saying? I will see you all in my next video, okay? Bye. So I'm just going to repackage it. If you need it, holla. Okay.